I'm home.
Hey, you're early today.
Yes,
Is everything okay?
I'm fine. I'm just tired.
Dinner is almost ready.
Okay, thank you,
You don't look fine.
David.
Emma,
Please, not right now.
Mom is home early.
I know, she looks sad.
Should we ask her?
Not yet. Let's wait.
What happened to Mom?
We don't know yet, Bill.
Did she get hurt?
No, she just looks sad.
I don't like it when Mom is sad.
Me neither.
kids, dinner is ready.
Coming, Dad. Is Mom eating with us?
Yes, go call her.
Mom, dinner is ready. I'm coming, sweetheart.
Okay, let's eat.
This looks good, Dad.
Thank you, Ryan.
Did you cook everything yourself?
I did. Don't look so surprised.
Sorry, it smells really good. Mom, are you not hungry?
I'm okay, Bill.
You didn't eat anything.
I'm just not very hungry tonight.
But you always eat everything.
Bill,
What?
let mom rest.
Okay, sorry, Mom.
It's okay, sweetheart.
Mom,
Yes?
is something wrong?
Why do you ask?
Because you came home early. And you didn't eat. And you look like you want to cry.
Ryan,
I'm not trying to make it worse. I just want to know.
I know. Come here. I lost my job today.
What?
They let me go this morning. They said the company needs to make changes.
Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't know how.
Emma,
I know. I'm sorry.
Mom, I'm so sorry.
what does lost her job mean? It means Mom doesn't work there anymore.
Why?
It wasn't her fault, Bill. Sometimes companies do that.
That's not fair.
No, it isn't.
Mom, I made you something.
What is this?
It's you, and me, and Bruno.
Bill, you look happy in it because I want you to be happy. Come here.
He's right, you know.
I know. We all want you to be happy, Mom.
Also, I made tea. It's not very good, but it's hot.
Thank you, Ryan.
Don't cry about the tea. It will get better with practice.
I'm scared.
I know.
We have bills, and the kids, and
Emma, stop.
David.
We will figure it out, together. That's what we do.
What if I can't find something quickly?
Then we take a one day at a time.
One day at a time.
One time.
Mom, can I say something?
Of course. You always tell us that when one door closes, another one opens.
I say that all the time.
Every single time something goes wrong.
Do I?
Yes, it's a little annoying actually.
Ryan,
But also true.
It's annoying and true.
Bruno agrees.
Okay, you're right.
We know.
I have always wanted to try something different.
Like what?
I don't know yet. But maybe this is my chance to find out.
That's the mom I know.
Me too, same.
Okay, tomorrow morning, we'll all help.
Help with what?
Mom needs a new resume. And she needs to practice for interviews.
I can help with the resume.
I can help with the interview practice.
I can draw more pictures.
Perfect.
You don't all have to do that.
We know we don't have to.
We want to.
It's what families do, Mom.
Where did you learn that?
From you. Okay,
Okay?
okay.
Let's do it.
Mom, for the interview, don't say too much.
I don't say too much.
You said 11 times just now.
I did not. You did, Mom. I counted. Fine. 12, 11, whatever.
This is going very well.
Mom, you've got this. Thank you, Bill. Bruno thinks so too. I got a call today.
And
They want me to come in next week.
Which one?
The new company, the one I actually wanted.
Emma,
I know.
I told you.
You told me. Mom, how did it go? I got the job. What? She got it?
Are you serious?
I'm serious. I knew it. Bruno knew it too.
One door closes.
And another one opens.
That is still a little bit annoying.
I know. I love you too. Thank you. All of you. I couldn't have done it without this family.
Yes, you could have.
Maybe. But it wouldn't have felt like this.
Like what?
Like nothing is impossible when we are together.
Mom,
Yes?
can Bruno come to your new job?
I don't think so, sweetheart.
I'll ask them,
Bill?
just in case.
Excellent. Let's learn 5 useful English words from today's story. Annoying. Annoying means something that bothers you a little or makes you feel irritated. Example, Ryan's joke was a little annoying, but everyone laughed. Tired. Tired means you have little energy and need to rest. Example, Emma said she was tired after coming home. Resume. A resume is a document that tells employers about your education, skills, and work experience. Example, Anna helped her mom prepare a new resume. Interview. An interview is a meeting where a company asks questions before offering someone a job. Example, Emma practiced carefully before her interview. Impossible. Impossible means something cannot be done. Example, Emma said nothing is impossible when her family stays together. Thank you so much for watching today's story. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe so you never miss our next adventure. See you next time. Bye-bye.